to Thursday. So it's Wednesday morning. I thought I'd get a jump ahead and get on to Thursday. Let's have a look. You'll see that there are two things scheduled to drop tomorrow: practice speech and of course our slides. Now our Zoom is at 11:30. That's because everyone has a Zoom with Mr. Hales. He has games booked for 10 a.m., 10 to 10:45. So make sure you come in and join that Zoom. It should be a lot of fun. You can play as a parent, like with a family, or you can play individually. Siblings and stuff can play as well. Whoever's at home can have a go. I'm not really sure what Mr. Hales has booked, so I plan to pop in as well if there's a lot of things going well, and I might join in and have a play as well. But these are 9 people at 11:30, please. Remember to bring what art you've done so far, so bring a photo of it, and bring in some pen, paper and pencil, because we're going to do some maths. Although I don't think you needed it too much when I did it the other day. Okay, so it's Thursday. That means our competition is due today. Last I looked, there was really not very many people who have submitted. Let's have a quick look again. 5 blue, you've been slacker than 5 red with a competition so far. Okay, so yep, nobody's dropped from 5 blue yet because it hasn't even made the folder. 5 red. Let's have a look. St. Pius, Feast Day, video competition. There are... I may be offline. There you go. 3 people. Elizabeth. Oh, and Estelle's dropped hers twice, so it looks like she may have updated hers. So I'll have a look and see which one to submit. Obviously the newer one, probably. Who has the best moves from yesterday? Only Kieran and Charlotte from 5 blue submitted. That's what I was talking about when I've seen much more from 5 red. 5 red. St. Pius Feast Day. Who has the best moves? And then we've got Jason, Zane, Estelle, Elizabeth, Jake, Lachlan, and Egan. So not very many, but get in the spirit of it, guys. Have some fun. There's no harm in getting involved, so have a go. All right, so that is the video competition that's due today if you have not started. Remote can go anywhere. Remember, there's good cash prizes, and at the moment there's only 3 people up for the prize, so it's worth taking that chance and getting it done. All right, game with Mr. Hales. Must do. I've been changing this, and I must do tasks. Because you can do it with not what order you want. I said today's focus is the trivia with Mr. Hales. Okay, so that's our special activity here. And let's have a little look through. Hopefully you're enjoying the reduced week. Attendance. That'll be Lachlan telling me today's code word. What zone are you in? Okay, why are you in this zone? Let us know. Prayer. Writing. How does public speaking make you feel? Click on the link. Opens up like this. Okay, instructions. Click on the pink plus over here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Write your response where it says write something incredible. Okay, so click there. You can put a subject, write something incredible down here, publish, and it will appear here. Move it around. Make sure you don't edit somebody else's, but have a read of what everyone else has written. Corner of the screen and a box like the one on the side will show. Looks like that. Leave the subject blank. There you go. And then write your response where it says write something incredible. Click publish to submit your response. This is all anonymous, so you can be as honest as you like. Honest as you like. Okay. How does public speaking make you feel? All right. I know I was always nervous about getting up in public speaking. Okay, clear all. Strategies. Make sure the more prepared you are, the more you practice, the more confident you will feel, even if you are a super nervous person. All right, be organized, be yourself, think positively. That's our homework dropping that I set up last term. I don't think anyone's done any of it, so as usual, just ignore it. Task 1, practice speech. Choose a topic from the list. Here's our list. Write down some key ideas you would like to discuss in your speech. Record yourself doing a 60-second speech. Remember to stay calm and communicate your ideas clearly. You can record the video as many times as you like. And then that's what you need to upload here. So you upload your practice speech here. So a 60-second practice speech. Okay. So you've got 4 topics to choose from. Explain 4 ways to use a drinking glass other than for drinking. Interesting. Convince Mrs. Kristofsky that students should get their birthdays off school. Nice, persuasive. Explain the rules of your favorite game. If everything in the world had to change to be one color, which color would you choose and why? Some interesting topics there. So I'm sure you can all speak for 60 seconds. Would love to see these all submitted and uploaded. Maths. An artificial soccer field is 90 meters long and 40 meters wide. What is the area of the soccer field? If it is $30 per square meter, what is the total cost of the field? Interesting, nice one. Okay, what do we know? All right, so we've got a Google form assessment. Make sure you're not flicking off the side. That's when people seem to have issues with it reloading. If you stay on your slide and keep just work way through, you will find it will work perfectly. The question will look at the area of rectangles, squares, triangles, and irregular shapes. So those that have done their Zooms with me, that's what I ran through. So see if you were paying attention if when I did it together. Okay. Feast day, this is your games, Mr. Hale. This is the link you will need. Okay. So if it's 10 o'clock, make sure you jump ahead and grab this link here. Religion, 10 VIPs to this little video. Answer the following question. Reflect on how you can be a steward of creation. Okay, so Laudato Si is that stored message of looking after others. So nice and easy one to say, how can you look after creation? And describe why creation is a gift of God and provide examples. Pretty easy one, guys. All right, Zooms all week are with me, so use my link, please. Reading, again, there's no reading task with it. You just got to do the reading. History, explain the importance of law. What is Parliament? The Queen and Governor General. The Senate and House of Reps equals the Parliament of Australia. Okay. Australian Parliament is made up of a Queen, represented by the Governor General, the Senate and the House of Reps. It has 4 key responsibilities: representing the people of Australia, forming government, making laws for Australia, and checking the work of the government. Okay, pretty simple. All right, take a virtual tour of Parliament House. 5 interesting facts. Okay, so nice and easy. You've noticed about Parliament House. And why do we have laws? What is the difference between laws and rules? Why do we have laws? Why do we need laws? What could happen without laws? Who needs to follow laws? What happens if a law is unfair? What can people do to change an unfair law? Create a 3-minute iMovie around the topic law. Give your own opinions as to why we need laws. Oh, interesting. So I would answer those questions in my iMovie. 3 minutes, quite a long iMovie. So if you want to shorten it a little, you can. Okay, reflection. Submit your work. How did your day go? And finally is our code word for today. So our code word can be canteen. So we might investigate the canteen next. So well done, those that have been getting on top of it, working things out. You would have known that we've been investigating the steam room today, being Wednesday, and then we have the canteen. So thanks, guys. I look forward to seeing you in both the Zoom with Mr. Hales and those that are coming to mine. And of course, get this competition done. It's especially with the weather, rainy, why not do it? So, all right, guys, thanks, and I'll speak to you soon.